How's it going, everyone? Landon with LMR.com. Welcome to my overview of SVE's latest addition to their FR500 steering wheel lineup for the 1994 to 2004 Mustangs. If you're in the market to add some race-inspired styling to the interior of your SN95 or New Edge Mustang, then this FR500 style wheel from SVE is going to be a great choice. This steering wheel starts out as a new frame with all of the correctly positioned bolt holes and attaching points. Those include the provisions for the cruise control buttons, the threaded holes in the center for the use of a steering wheel puller, and of course, the center hole for the steering wheel to steering shaft retaining bolt. The frame is then wrapped in quality materials and stitched together. These materials include perforated simulated leather on the sides and black micro-suede on the top and bottom. At the top of the wheel, you'll also find a red sight line, which further adds to the killer aesthetics of this SVE steering wheel and is without question the standout feature for this wheel. This steering wheel is going to be black in color, so it will closely match the interior of the 1994 to 1998 Mustangs with black interior. For all other interior colors, you may want to paint the four pads found between the airbag module and the outer ring of the steering wheel. And of course, the added padding for this particular steering wheel allows for the ultimate driving experience. To see how to install this steering wheel into your SN95 or New Edge Mustang, be sure and check out our installation video down in the description. Overall here, guys, this steering wheel is going to be a great option for any of you that need to replace a deteriorated or worn stock wheel, or you just simply want to upgrade what you already have. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang, and of course, SVT Light.